Right now on the come up. Lately been talking my shit because I know I come from the gutter. Since I'm such a brother, then I go pop out and under this linen like I was a baller. How can you hate me? I'm coming from under. Nowhere to sleep. What the fuck is a cover? Now I pop out of ballistics, they runners, man. Tell us I'm tweaking. I already fucked us. I was down bad, I know I done it all. I was serving the fiends, let the Zannies dissolve. If I got a problem, I'm making one call. While none of your niggas be sliding at all. But bitch like an oven, I'm packing that heat. Only get up with bitches when it's in the sheets. Run to the paper like I'm in the meat, baby. Get on your knees, let me give you a treat. Too much of the walkie be having me sleep, but too much of the press got me ready to freak. Grinding for months, I've been grinding for weeks. My uncle told me to just watch for the week, cause they like to sneak. Gucci and Prada be having me dripping like I was a sin, man. What did you think? I'm trying to make it to put some VVs inside my Cuban link, man. Why do it stink? Kobe been bringing in pounds of the side, but I know that it reek. You niggas not street. I can have youngers that's 13 and under, but you on the T and I do it for free. Worries and stinks, we was serving the fiends. Mel told me to stop popping the beans. Right on the T, almost stealing my dreams. I like dropping them Zannies inside of my lean. Lil Easy been working, keep passing your moves. You got them bitches twerking. We see in the cut and that nigga be lurking. Can't see in the track cause we closing the curtain. Don't know what I'm feeling. See what the niggas who doubted me most is always in my mentions. You know I ain't tripping. Drop me a check and that boy be away and my transaction pending. Before the pandemic, my niggas was clicking some rentals. Can't wait to hit Johnny to fuck up my dinner. Blue tips in the 40 or fuck up his mental. Just put him on TV like he Jimmy Kimmel. My niggas some rest will attack like a whistle. Hollows to this flesh and this skin start to sizzle. You know we erasing a nigga like pencils. The skirt off the way, now my niggas get little. But don't let me get started. The flow on the rocks got me looking retarded. Niggas be hating, that really be garbage. Over that paper, some niggas depart.
Hey, and this bitch still capping with Dan, bro.